Hi, everyone, and welcome. August always feels a bit of a transition month here in the Central Valley. Kids are heading back to school, families are settling back into their routines, and harvest season is in full swing. It's a reminder that one season can quickly roll into the next. And just like in life, the markets can have seasons of their own as well. This month, we'll take a quick look at July's market performance, some encouraging signs we're seeing from both the manufacturing and service sides of the economy, and what history tells us about market movements in August and September. July was a mixed month for investors. US stocks took a bit of a breather after a very strong second quarter, with the S&P 500 finishing slightly lower and technology experiencing more volatility. International markets continue to provide important diversification, while bond investors dealt with some movement in longer-term interest rates as markets weighed inflation, economic growth, and the direction of the Federal Reserve. However, when we step back and look at the bigger picture, there are still plenty of areas showing strength, both here in the US and internationally. As we look ahead, August and September have historically been a little more challenging for stocks. September in particular has historically been the weakest month of the year, with more frequent periods of volatility. Of course, history is a guide, not a forecast. Every year is different, and moving in and out of the market based simply on the calendar can often do more harm than good. It's something to be aware of, but not something that would change a well-designed long-term financial plan. One encouraging sign has been improving activity in both manufacturing and the services sector. Businesses are seeing new orders, producing more goods, and consumers continue to spend on services like travel and eating out. Think of the economy like a rowing team. When both sides are pulling together, the boat moves forward more efficiently. Right now, both manufacturing and services are contributing, which is a positive sign for the overall economy. A couple of team updates as we head into fall. We want to thank our intern, Luke Thomas, for all his contributions over the past 2 summers. We have so enjoyed having him as part of the team and wish him all the best as he returns to Westmont College to complete his degree. We're also excited to welcome back Brianna Harden from maternity leave. Brianna will return to her role as client account manager, working primarily remotely while still joining us in the office from time to time. If you'd like more timely updates, visit our website at orionwealthinc.com and explore the Resource Center, where you'll find helpful insights and easy-to-follow links to some of the firms managing your accounts. Please check us out on social media as well. You can find us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. As we head into the final stretch of summer, there will undoubtedly be more market headlines and a few surprises along the way. But just as a farmer doesn't judge an entire harvest by a single day, we shouldn't judge a long-term financial plan by a few weeks of market movement. Thank you, as always, for trusting us to help you navigate your financial course.